Can regular crayons replace those expensive furniture crayons that are made for filling nail holes? It's day 2 of wrap-up week and I'm finishing this coat rack. I have over 120 nail holes to fill, so I bought this pack of furniture crayons to use instead of wood filler and stain. And overall, these were great. They're quick and easy to use, but I couldn't help but notice a familiar scent.
Are these just expensive crayons?
So I gathered as many regular brown crayons as I could find and started testing them. Guess what? They also work. Not quite as well, but pretty close. Unfortunately, both types left behind wax even after scraping. So rather than removing the wax, I decided to just add more wax to it. I used this finishing wax, buffed it in, it worked perfectly. The last step was to erase these pencil lines, and this coat rack is complete. We're done with day 2 of wrap-up week. Stick around for day 3.